Tagalog na tarheta.
Ano ibig sabihin ng tarheta? Hi everyone, my name is Sophia. Welcome to our channel, and today we're doing something a little different.
We are actually reacting to one of our interviews for the very first time since it's aired.
Yeah, and we're also gonna be sharing with you guys. Jake is laughing. Okay, and we're gonna be sharing with you guys as well some of our behind the scenes experiences and what we really meant to say and just overall the experience during our interview.
Yep. So let's get started.
Para mas marinig nila ang inyong ginintuang boses. Wow. Ginintuan.
Okay. So yung kanina, yung when I took my glasses off. Asan glasses ko? The reason why I took my glasses off was because kapag nakita ko sa screen na I look so old with my glasses on, kaya I took it off. I'll show you guys how it look kapag my glasses on ako. Okay guys, I'm back. So here is how I look with my glasses on. And what do you think, Sophia?
You look old.
Yeah, exactly. I look old. Kaya I took my glasses off kasi a lot of people say na I look like mga 30 when I'm actually like 24 lang.
Kasi ang nakasanayan natin na business card o yung tinatawag natin sa Tagalog na tarheta.
Ano ibig sabihin ng tarheta?
I didn't know why. Looking back, yeah, I didn't know what karheta was, pero I just nodded na lang sa kanya.
Me too. I was like,
You didn't know it was karheta?
No, what is it?
Business card.
Tarheta?